My children, do not laugh with me. For the laughter you see on my face ends on my lips. My kingdom is being drawn apart, and my members are nowhere to be found. Yes, they are nowhere to be found. And all these are due to our carelessness. Yes, to our carelessness. My children, I am sending you to the world. I am sending you forth into the world to go and hunt for souls. Hot, vibrant souls. Souls that you can find in secondary schools. Young, vibrant girls. I'm not sending you after men. I don't need men anymore. I need your blood. Blood that can be of destruction to the world. Blood and souls that will destroy men. That's what I'm sending you after to the world to hunt. My children, both of you will be born as stories to a family. And the woman that will give birth to you will die soon after delivery. This is where your mission of destruction starts. This is to make your mission possible and easy.
Mother, how can we achieve that?
I will give both of you power. Powers that men cannot contend with. Unlimited powers. I will give powers to you. And I will protect you. I will stand always right behind you.
Thank you, Queen Mother. We will not disappoint you and the kingdom.
I trust my guys. My children, time to go into the world and hunt for hot, vibrant souls that will occupy our kingdom. My kingdom is coming. You will go into the world and hunt for vibrant girls. Hot girls that will be of good service to you. Ola, when both of you are giving birth, you will be an older sister to your sister Ngozi. Ngozi, learn to respect your sister as the elder one. But both of you are free to visit me from time to time. None should escape you.
Thank you, Queen Mother.
It's okay, dear. I'll take you to the hospital right now. It's okay. It's okay. I know. Easy. Take it easy. Hey, Musa! Open that gate fast! It's alright. Hey! We'll soon get to the hospital. It's alright. Easy. Oh, take it easy now. Manage. I'll get to the hospital right now. It's okay. Sorry. It's okay. Right, let's go. God, why? Why have you decided to take my wife away? Why, God? Why? We've been together for so many years without a child. Now that they have given us two. Why Why have you taken my wife away? Oh. Oh, Purity, my love. Oh my God. Dad, why have you decided to take my beloved away? God, why have you decided to leave me like this? God, why? You gave us two, and now you've taken my wife away. Oh. Oh, Purity. Oh, my loving wife. Oh. I've been thinking on how the both of us will watch and see our children grow with us. Now that have taken you away. Oh, my wife. My beloved. Oh. That's why. Oh. Why? Oh, death, why? Why? I feel like dying. I feel like killing myself. Oh. Let us toast for a wonderful brand new day. Long life and prosperity. She was very kind.
But Daddy, who did I look like?
Come on. Why must you ask such a question? Can't you say you are my carbon copy?
Yes. I wish my mom was alive. Me too. I wish she's still alive.
Well, it's all right, my children. Let's not think or cry like people without hope. God knows why He made it that way. There is a purpose for that. So, let's forget about the past and forge ahead. God knows better. Okay? So can you put a smile on your face now? Come on. Come on. Come on, smile. That's my daughters. Yes, that reminds me. You know, I promised before now that I will take you out. So after this time, I am taking the both of you out for a shopping.
Hey! Daddy, thank you!
You're welcome. So why not drink up? Come on. So come on, let's drink up.
Okay.
Wow. I hate all this. Eh? Every time these people with Dharma will continue to disturb our compound. I don't know what they are doing over there. Huh? All the same, let's enjoy ourselves. Come on, drink up, come on.
My children,
Yes, Papa.
I want you all to put God first in whatever you do in life. It's very, very important putting God first. Be mindful of the kind of people that you move about with. There is a popular adage that says, show me your friend and I will tell you whom you are.
we should not have any friend.
It's not what I meant. I only meant that you have to be selective in choosing your friends. Is that all right?
Sister Ego, you like disturbing Papa? Or have you forgotten you're always the first to place your
Don't worry. Worry not yourselves. Don't worry yourselves. By tomorrow, you will all receive your school fees.
Thank you, Papa.
You will pay your school fees tomorrow, everybody.
Thank you.
Papa, what's about me that has finished my secondary career?
Chinwe, it's not a crime to have finished your secondary school career. Secure admission into any higher institution now, and I will sponsor you. You will go there and study. I will see you too.
See, Papa, my own is that I needed money to establish my own business.
Will you shut up?
Leave it, you're waiting. So that if you come out like this, I see, Kende Be Odum, I have Putani, I'm gonna go Abatago. Ha, I hello Kuga. One day, hello Kuga. Oh, Papa, you trust me now. So you trust me now.
I trust you, my son. But one thing is there. You will have to finish your studies, finish your education before you venture into any kind of business at all. You don't enter business. Now, I don't want when I join my ancestors tomorrow, my children will be killing themselves, fighting over my wealth and properties. No. The wealth I have now, I share to you all. That is quality education. When you get your own education tomorrow, you establish yourself in whatever you want to do. Abu, is that okay? You will go to school.
Papa.
So that even if you are doing business, you will do business with wisdom. Education is knowledge. Knowledge is wisdom. Thank you.
Thank you, Papa.
Ferdinand, her school dismissed. This is why you are walking along the road alone.
Papa, you know, today na public holiday.
Public again.
Holiday.
Is today Children's Day? October Day? Can they also vacation? Can one attack on Ferdinand?
Yes, Papa.
Are you sure your teachers know that you are here?
Yes, Papa. Of course, they know.
I doubt you. I doubt you, Ferdinand. I doubt you. You are more than stupid. You don't want to be useful to me, Ferdinand.
Papa, you know it's evil to call your son stupid.
You are more than stupid. You are more than stupid.
Okay, no problem. I have accepted that I'm stupid. No problem.
Yes.
But Papa, I hope there is food in the house.
You want to eat?
I'm gonna go come down.
Come and eat now. Come and eat. I'm going for a meeting. Till when I come back, I will dig it out with you.
There is food in the house.
Put the food. Come and eat now. Come and eat. Good afternoon, my children. Where are you coming from?
Sir, as you can see, we are coming from school.
From school?
Yes, sir.
Don't you observe public holidays?
Public holiday?
Yes.
No, sir, there is no public holiday. We learned today, sir. Yes, sir, we learned today, but did anybody tell you there is public holiday today?
Don't worry, my children. Don't worry. Huh? We shall see later. Don't worry. What are your names?
My name is Joy. My name is Chike. My name is Algo.
Thank you and God bless you. Huh? Don't worry. We shall see later.
Thank you.
Have a nice sleep.
Bye.
What gave you guys the audacity to tell my dad that yesterday was not public holiday?
Senior, we are sorry. We didn't know that you lied to your father. That is why.
Shut up!
See, Senior,
Look to God, you didn't know that you were playing games with your father.
Senior, please forgive us. After all, we are not prophets to know that you lied to your dad.
Yes.
Idiots! Shut up!
But Senior, why should you lie to your dad that yesterday was public?
I said, will you shut
Leave
up?
him. You don't like schooling.
Got you. I have seen that you have grown wings to talk to your senior like that.
You have done wings too.
What is happening here?
You want to punish us.
Ferdinand, sir, what is happening here? Huh? Move to your class.
Look at him. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Ferdinand.
You have no ways to lie to your dad.
Ferdinand.
Sir.
Ferdinand.
Sir.
Better be careful in this school. If you don't take time, Ferdinand, I will send you back to your parents. You, come on, rush to your class. Stupid boy. Get out. Idiot.
My microphone. Royal Prince Music, baby. This is love, this is love. This is love, this is love, this is love. I just want to write to my mama, say I'm in love. When she not see me and say bad fellow.